That neuron evaluates, and then it decides to whether or not to send an electrical input. And then it's called a network because there's a ton of neurons. And they're all doing their own processing. And they're all firing to other neurons. And then those neurons do their own processing. And then they're firing to other neurons. So it's this big network of these neurons in your brain and throughout your body that decide whether to fire or not. That's it. All right, that's how your human body works. And that's what a neural network tries to represent. That's it. That's what a neural network is. It's a representation of the human brain and the human body. So when my brain sends an impulse to say, raise your right hand, it's sending that from my brain. You know, it's my brain is firing to the right neurons in my muscles, in my nerves that are telling me whether yes or no to go up or down with my right arm. Right now, as I'm speaking, all those little neurons are deciding to fire or not and send my arm up or down. That's it. That's how the human body works, right? The human body is an electrical machine, firing at all times. So that's all it's doing, right? My brain is saying fire yes or no to millions and millions of neurons throughout my body and my arm and all that, right? And that's it. That's all we're doing. We are going to represent that in code. And when you do that, guess what? You have a neural network. That's what a neural network does. All right? So from what I said, we're going to have our inputs. We're going to have the little neurons in between. And then we're going to have the result. Right? Because the result is my hand either went up or down. But that's it. That's all we're doing in code, guys. So if anybody's confused or intimidated by neural networks, that's all it is. It's a representation of how the human brain and your body works. What neurons are you using? How many are you using? And do they fire or not? That's it. That's how your body runs, and that's what we're going to be representing in code. So in the neural network sense, in the data science sense, that means that a neural network has a minimum of 3 components that we're going to work with.